living 30 minutes away. It's time to head home. Yeah, see, it's a lot of lightning.
Good morning. What are you doing?
All right. We just got to Riverside. I'm meeting Ben at Biscotti's. Had to park kind of far away. It's real nice up here. I brought a mask just in case. The closer you get to the city, the more uptight they get about you wearing masks. Out where we live, they tell you gotta wear a mask. I've never worn a mask. No one's ever said anything to me. Everybody's got different opinions of masks. You can probably figure out what mine are. Oh, where's the door? This one? Oh, that one. Thanks. To the wrong door. Hey, looking for this guy.
What up on Riverside?
We can go up there.
Are you recording yourself while you eat?
Yeah. We're at the new building. It's very exciting. River and Post is here. We got a rooftop lounge. We got good colors like gray and white. We're all jazzed up here. So right now we're standing in our new location. Obviously it's gutted right now and it's empty. It's a really cool design. I can't wait to show it to you. It really fits my style, so I'm excited about it. Some of these windows, I can literally see the St. Johns River from out of them. There's gonna be some big offices in the back, some glass conference rooms. And most of this area behind me is gonna just stay open and be workplace, a place where we can hang out and really connect with clients. So we're here at River and Post with my friend Adam. You just saw him making the drinks. He got us these bulletproofs, right? Bulletproof?
Bulletproof.
Yeah, and he smoked the glass. It's bullet rye and it's the orange. The flavor is like, I can really taste the citrus, which is incredible.
I think it's pretty rounded, so it's a little savory, you know. Definitely sipper, right?
It's like,
nice notes from the caramel.
Yeah.
You're gonna get the sweetness mostly from the sweet vermouth and the cognac that's in there, but
so good.
A little bit of nicotine adds cinnamon note to it. So
okay.
Yeah, it's based on a Bucharest.
I think I might get this one. Probably for here. Should I get? I'm gonna need two slices of that for sure. Hello. Okay, I'll do meet me in New York City and at Angelo Square. What about you? What are you going with? Benny Blanco. Just one? So we just got to the barn where Chanel arrived, and I think Chanel already ran off to the horses. What, you got a juice already? You haven't even rode yet.
Because there's thunder.
Because there's thunder? There's thunder. What do you think, buddy?
should have heard him when he first saw him. He was like talking to him.
Super excited. Don't let him get bit.
I know, I'm watching.
Lose a finger.
I'm watching his signs. I know. Watching those signs. Look at his pretty face.
Might storm.